inside. Let me see your inside. Your inside dirty too.
I don't like looking at people's shit. I don't know who they
not really.
You scrubbing the hell out of them. You gotta scrub that, bro, because it be stuck all over your nut.
Hey, it's about your time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I need you to go get me 2 more screws.
Yeah, bring your fucking ass up, good. Yeah. You know, you have to throw some juice on that shit.
You need 2 more.
He came up with something quick, man. You recording this? Hey, Jill, then he came up with a story quick.
You think about it, right?
2 screws.
He need 2 screws. He need to go get the 2 screws. This is a damn way that me can't go get on 2 screws.
She's gonna come up with some toilet bowls. Yeah, flexing like he calls it.
Ain't talking nobody. You like to make a call.
Hey.
Huh?
Oh, what time it is? 6 o'clock? Oh, they just closed.
Hell yeah. They just closed. That shit finna sit here another year. She better tighten up. That bitch need a new car. She been here like a year.
That joint was total when it came in.
Yeah, that bitch was sitting there forever. It had like roots growing up on it. Had
Yeah.
snakes in the little
Yeah,
yard.
cobwebs in the engine.
And dead grass from that car. That bitch ain't got no gas.
Your daddy gonna introduce me to you, bro.
She done came with you like 4 different times. Cussing his ass up.
What she did? They gotta get a little wood shit.
Oh yeah. She don't give a fuck about that.
That car was fucked.
She wanna ride. She don't give a hit.
She better ride like that. She ride like that. She got 2 headlights, so she good.
Man, I like a bitch hit the baseball bat and just slugger it.
Don't got no airbags in
They
it.
got laid there. They, I don't know, they shouldn't be driving. Both of they shit fucked up.
What? Damn, I just noticed she ain't got no fucking life.
I told you she had a lady out. We got a missing
No.
that is not hanging. He's a cow.
Hey, little bird do it.
Go ahead and talk to him, little bird.
I might have to wait on for the next one. Nice work.
Hold this out. Oh, love. And we put them screws up in here. What?
You just gonna drop it?
I know, right? Put them screws up in there. What? You gonna be lovely.
She good as new.
When though? I'm gonna set that damn house on fire.
Look at this. Let's go. Ooh-wee! 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 That's how I screw this stuff. See, that's how I have screws. This how I love these.
Huh? Hold on. The bumper gonna fall. She gonna be ready then.
They get out of the bumper fire, ain't gonna have to take it on 3 months or what another.
What? Okay, it ain't got no. Okay.
Yeah.
It ain't did no work.
That's how it don't want to come on. Just stop. That shit don't want to come on no more. You can't be in here with her like that.
It's mine. She asked me to take her somewhere. This is mine. So I smoke. She knows. So you got to face the consequences when you get in my car.
Anything happens, it's your fault. Your mom. Even though she talk crap, hey, just like Lil Bert riding me talking about smoking. Oh no, no.
We grown. Y'all can't stop us smoking.
I
ain't gonna smoke while she here. She gonna talk noise. I ain't got time for this. But listen though, I'm gonna put it on the insurance.
Yeah, I just bring it
I
tomorrow.
just
We'll
want you to
just
fix the light for the time being.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can't slide at night.
Can't slide at night.
I be gone.
Oh, that's easy.
Nah, I just.
But it start tripping.
It's in right now.
Man, get y'all in.
We gotta get this out.
Mom, why you had to be in the car with me? Because I'm the cursed through my right just then. She still gonna hear me.
We gotta get this out though. Put the new one in.
I mean, that's just what they say the severity of this accident.
Man, get your
I don't even know if that's the
When you
word.
post that video, you tag me and then alright. You
You won't?
back there in that purple shirt.
Oh no, she called you born in my shit. Oh, that sound like my mic.
Man, ain't nothing about that.
Nah, that ain't him. You know, that might be something right there.
My car got all my headlights though.